welcome to the channel. I'm taking over this bitch because that's what it is. Anyways, welcome back to It's John Orr, the new improved channel. Just want to let you guys know that from now on I'm gonna give you better Subi content. Moving on to my 2020 Subaru Wrx Sti. I'll let you know more in the future. Goodbye.
If you want, John wants to race me after this.
I want to do him. You want to do
him? Nah, he's not gonna race. He's not gonna race. We'll do it like another day. Cause we're gonna go opposite ways. So Andres got a new car. Andres got a new car. He came to the new car gang. But there's a problem.
Hey, we can do it right here.
There is a problem. It's not a WRX or STI.
Alright guys, this is my 2015.
Wait. You gotta do like that.
Welcome to my whip.
That was so fucking wild.
This is my 2015 Ford Edge SUV.
It's 2015?
It's the Eco package.
No, you gotta do it right, bro. Wait. Take over. Let me do a take.
Here, take.
Ready? Take two.
Alright guys, welcome to my whip. Okay. This is the 2015 Ford Escape.
Take three. Come on, do it right.
Alright guys, welcome to my whip. Okay. This right here is a 2018 Ford ST. Alright, the ST stands for super fucking tits. You look right here. When I lock this bitch, those are the tits right there. Alright. We got 252 horses of pure screaming bald fucking eagles.
Actually, let's look at the.
Let's look under the hood.
Let's look under the hood. Let's see what's under there. Is there an engine?
What's under here is the ST.
Whole bunch of fucking
for
plastic.
stock trim. I have a high performance engine cover, the yellow color match dipstick, and an intake from a Ford Explorer.
Let's look at the inside of this thing, dude. I have yet to see the inside. Dude, you got vents?
I got fucking vents because it goes so fucking fast the air comes out the windows.
That's dope.
It sucks air in backwards to the engine.
Hey, this is pretty dope though. This is pretty dope.
This one's
you should do the badges. You should do the badges in this color. In
the blue?
Yeah, in the blue. That would look good because of the car, too. Does this feel like your old one that you had? Was this the exact same year? No, it wasn't the exact same year,
no,
but
this one's 3 years newer. This shit feels.
Does it feel like it?
It feels like when I got it brand new.
Okay.
Because it only had like 20-something thousand miles on it.
That exhaust though.
Yeah, it doesn't have the fucking the fucking HDMI exhaust like the old one.
The auto fashion license plate already.
Because this thing is fucking bad. Alright. Hey, do me a favor.
What?
Rev it a little bit.
Oh shit. You wanna do it, John? Go ahead, do it, John. I'll record it. Hey buddy, don't be revving your car around here, alright?
Respect the spot.
Yeah, what did we say?
Sounds pretty good.
Hey, the exhaust sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Compared to like mine, it sounds pretty good, not gonna lie.
That's what I'm kind of debating.
That's not stock, dude.
It's not stock? That's not stock?
No.
What? Alright, never mind then.
The exhaust says wicked flow.
Oh shit.
Because I got bars.
Hell yeah. Damn, I thought it was stock. I was like, damn, this sounds pretty good for being stock.
No, it came like that.
Oh, that's cool.
It came with the exhaust, the louvers that I can't tell if I like or not, and the visors.
Take them off.
Take them off, bro.
Yeah?
Take them off. Dude, this is like, I'm beyond, not trying to, like, there's, like, okay, like, it would look nice if they actually did what they were supposed to do. Because it's like, there's a window right here, bro. What kind of airflow are you getting through there? Like, that's for...
Well, I'm telling you, bro, the air gets sucked in reverse.
You can take me now or what?
No. But it
Are you scared?
The only
Are you scared? Running John? Running John? Huh?
I already ran John.
He said He said that you went 1, 2, 3, and then you just took off. That's what he said. They just said 1, 2, 3, and then you took off. They didn't even give him a chance.
STI stands for ST is better.
Kind of, but you're missing a couple letters there, buddy. So
I don't give a fuck how many letters are. It's about the meaning behind it. All right.
So, my car, plasma blue. Plasma blue, pearl.
15? I feel like the 15.
I don't know if I can ride with stock bitches.
Get the fuck out of here, dude. Get the fuck out of here, right? I'm gonna start hanging out with Ford guys. I'm gonna start hanging out with Ford guys.
Gets an
I'm
off-the-shelf
gonna
top tune, starts acting all different.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah, no.
You wanna run right here?
No. So actually, you could go up to the top. No.
Yeah, like from the blue Ford.
Yeah, just back up. So get in there first and do like a second gear pull. Don't do it first or second, unless you guys want to. But I was saying
Not first
and then second, and then just fucking clam on it.
What? You're down? You're down?
Huh?
No,
You're
no,
down?
I was talking to you. See.
That's why.
Oh.
I know. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, I'm down, but it'd have to be like right when before we leave.
Yeah.
Why?
Because in case somebody calls the cops or something.
We're gonna call the cops on us,
You guys
bro.
don't have-
We're in Mexico. Remember that? Yeah, Mexico.
Exactly, Mexican cops are worse.
Want to record it?
Oh no, I got my GoPro in the car.
Oh.
But yeah, you can record it with this one.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
All right. Ready?
I don't know who won that. Who was it?
We're kind of like even.
I was ahead of them, but I let off.
Really?
Oh yeah. You wanna go again?
Yeah, we can.
Down that way or no? Yeah. Okay.
From a dig? And go up 4 more? Right there, right there.
Should I launch?
Yeah.
Hold on.
1.
I catch up though.
Here.
Whatever's closer.
Show.
Isn't there a chevron right here in the corner?
It's all right, man. You don't want to lose. Dude, I was catching up, like for sure. He lets off though. But if we kept going, I don't know. It's hard to tell though. It's hard to tell because you let off, but I feel like we were getting there.
Right there. Come on.
Yeah, I don't want to race on the freeway. I don't like racing on the freeway.
You just raced on the street, bro. That's like way worse than the freeway.
I feel like there's higher likelihood of being caught on the freeway.
Okay, I got you. I mean, we're standing here after we did this.
On 3.
My phone got in the way.